So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Reddit. So when you find your Reddit app, what you have to do is to just use your finger to tap on your Reddit app for some while. Now what you have to do when you get over here is to just tap over here on this button. So just tap on it, and when you tap on it, you're going to be in the app info of Reddit. So when you get over here, tap on force stop, just tap on force stop, then after that tap on OK. Okay, so what do you tap on OK, what you have to do next is to tap on your storage and cache. So now tap on the storage and cache, then tap on the clear cache. Now go back, tap on notifications, and make sure the show notification is toggled on. After that, go back and tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed. Now go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is turned on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store and try to update your app. So after updating your app, what you have to do next is to restart your device. So you tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, and tap on OK to restart your device. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.